I got me some coffee made. When it's cool like this, I drink coffee throughout the day. This is something different I'm starting. Due to people sending me stuff, y'all, I am overwhelmed at the love and support that you guys show to me. And I am very appreciative of it. I don't want nobody to think that I just don't care. Though I try to, with this YouTube channel, I try to respond to every comment. Now, sometimes the way these comments show up on my phone, especially on older videos, I don't catch them. Sometimes they've been there 2 or 3 days before I can see them. And the bigger this gets, the harder it'll be. But from the depths of my heart, I honestly enjoy talking to all of you. When you message me on Instant Messenger on my Facebook page, and if you're interested in knives and what I'm selling and stuff, it's usually going to hit my Facebook, Spirit of the Outdoors Facebook page first. A lot of times pictures and stuff I don't just post on YouTube. If I'm making it on a video, it'll be here. But you can keep up with a lot more what's going on. And then my Instagram. Y'all, my Instagram's a story within itself. The little short that I put on YouTube of the chicken pep talk, Instagram blew it up. Now, it's on Facebook, but some people have screenshotted it on Facebook, and I'm not getting all the credit, so I really don't know who all's seen it on Facebook, but it's had, at this point, over 3.3 million views on Instagram, and y'all, my Instagram has exploded, and it's out of control. There's like 20-something thousand comments. There's no way to even read them all. So I really don't want my YouTube to get that big. Honestly, I don't. I enjoy it like it is because I really enjoy talking to you guys. I have made friends in Alabama, Georgia, West Virginia, the Carolinas, Tennessee, Oklahoma, Kansas, Louisiana. I mean, these people that I talk back and forth with y'all on the phone, different places, and I enjoy that. I really do. Through my just-in-time videos, I feel like I have been able to reach and help some of you. I'm not going to ever try to tell y'all how you need to live and you got to do this. I just want to inspire you and make thought-provoking videos and let God deal with your heart. I'm not going to be the man to tell you, hey, you got to do this, 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 and this. And I'm not going to argue religion with people. But what's been happening is I've had people sending me stuff. You seen in a video the other day, we did some hunting. I had some black powder stuff sent to me. Y'all, amazing gifts. So what I'm doing today is I've got a box here from Larry Alexander. Fairly big box, fairly heavy. I know I've got other gifts coming from other people that have reached out to me. So I'm going to do some unboxing videos. I don't do like Amazon stuff that I just ordered to use. I don't really unbox and show. I'll use it and show a link to it if you want to buy it. But as far as me really just trying to promote products, that ain't why I'm here. If I find something I genuinely like and I think it's a good product, and I mentioned it several times in the video, it's because I really think this is a good product. It ain't because somebody's paying me to do anything, but just for the love and support that you guys give me, I'm going to start, when you send me stuff, I'm going to unbox it on here because right now I have no idea what's in this box. If it jumps out and grabs me, you're going to get to see it. I don't think it is, but I just want y'all to know I appreciate it. And I think people that when they send you stuff that they would like for, to see your reaction to what, there. And so, I'm going to do that. It ain't about trying to grow a channel. I really didn't do this, y'all, because I wanted to quit working and make a living off YouTube. I do it because I enjoy filming. So, therefore, I make a lot of videos. For Mears Peden, I'll have to get Mama out here to look at this. And, y'all, I kind of picked up calling her Mama from the guy from Dry Creek Wrangler School. I don't know if y'all watch his videos. His channel has exploded. He started after I did it, way past me, but he is a good guy, I think, and that's what he calls his wife. And Jerry Clower done that. Jerry Clower called his wife Mama. So y'all, I'm gonna show you what he sent to Mama. That is very nice. Very, very nice. Got a hood on it that buttons to it. I think Mama really like that. We'll have to give that to her here in a little bit. she's somewhere working on pottery, and I'm supposed to be. I'm gonna put it back in there because y'all out here in this shed, stuff gets so dirty because we sand and work pottery. That's what I do for a living. For those of you that didn't know, we are Southern Mud Pottery, and everything gets clay dust all over it. So, wow, y'all, look at this. Pyrodex 50 caliber lead 385 grain bullets. It's got a measure. It has got some number 11 caps. And y'all, if you know black powder, y'all know that a lot of this stuff is getting hard to find, especially these primer caps. So thank you very much. We'll play with this. We've got the pistol. I have not shot a lot. And y'all, I want to tell you something else. I was talking to Uncle Sasquatch the other day. We were chatting online through Instant Messenger. And I told him, we was just talking about YouTube, and I said, well, I need to start practicing my black powder. I don't shoot it enough, and this summer I'm planning on building me a range. Y'all know that we have a reloading shack over here. My dad reloads religiously, is good at it. And but inside that building, we got a 200-yard range that we can shoot at, but it's inside a building where you shoot from the bench and all. And I don't really want to shoot black powder in there because it smoke it all up, and it looks good filming from outside. And I'll be honest with y'all, I really ain't comfortable filming all of his stuff that's in that reloading building. So I really haven't filmed a lot of reloading stuff. We do a lot of reloading. In fact, all of our ammo, just about it, we make. And y'all see my dad in a few videos along. My mom don't really like to be on camera. My daughter don't like to be on camera. I'm trying to get her on camera some more before she moves off to the coast to go to school this fall or this summer. Moore's Original Marinade. Check this out. Now, y'all, we may try that out tonight. I'll be honest with y'all. I got a rabbit, a squirrel, and a turtle dove in there in the refrigerator. I'm going to put in the Dutch oven. Probably film that too. I like to film. So I may, but I don't know. We may put that on steak. I'll have to do some seeing what that's all good for. Plenty bubble wrap. Y'all, I don't know what all is in here. I really don't. It really overwhelms me how great y'all are. Y'all, this YouTube channel, I get very little negative comments or anything. And I know that sometimes in comments, it's hard to get people's intentions. I don't take things personal. If there's a negative comment, I may tell you my opinion on it. It ain't because I think that you're just wrong and crazy. I just, Go X 2F powder. Y'all know this is like hen's teeth. Hen's teeth. You can't get Go X. So for him to send me a can of Go X that he got his hands on, y'all, is overwhelmed. It swells my heart up, y'all. Y'all are some of the best people that they are. And I know this because I get on other people's channels, and when they get me, I see all the negative comments and stuff, and I know that I get very little of that, and I thank y'all. Y'all are some of the greatest people. So we got another box that I feel like is black powder. Another can of 2F black powder. So with that being said, when I talked to Uncle Sasquatch the other day on the phone, I said, I'm going to build a range back out here. I had an idea that's what was in there. I want a range back here in the edge of the woods with a table. I've got a table partially built. I just need to clear out some area and set a thing up where I can film, and we're going to do some black powder shooting. Y'all see me miss some squirrels with the flintlock. I just need to practice. I really need, I've got 3 guns and I've got a couple of pistols, and I need to work up what load they really like. And we have not took the time to just sit down and, hey, let's get on the bench and just do some shooting and burn some powder. I've done a video like that. Y'all, I hadn't been around black powder a long time. Now, I had an old muzzleloader over here that shot the pellets, and that was about all I ever did. It's about the last 2 or 3 years, so I am not claiming to be an expert on black powder things. So what you see me do, you're watching me learn as we go along. But Mr. Larry Alexander, thank you so much. From the depths of my heart, I really appreciate all this stuff. It blows my mind that people want to just give me things. So I'm very thankful of it. Thank y'all for watching Spirit of the Outdoors. We'll see you next time. Remember, the best way to do things is the way you like to do it. We'll see y'all.